JEQANG-928 wired gaming keyboard. Mechanical type. With 4 classic and advanced color schemes. Black, white, white and purple, black and gray. 61 keycap layout design. White and purple fashion matching. Character lighting technology. Nighttime gaming and typing are also unimpressive. Super fashionable color matching. Type-C interface. Ergonomic design. Blue switch. Pluggable buttons are more durable. Totally have 10 lighting mode. Better experience in night mode. The colorful flow feels especially game-like. Ultra clear character luminous process. Plug and play with the computer. Smooth typing without delay.